Bitcoin pumped with other cryptocurrencies following suit. In the last 48 hours, Bitcoin has spiked from around $25,000 to over $27,000. This is about an 8% increase in value. The question is, what is responsible for this sudden pump? And the answer is that Grayscale won SEC in court on Tuesday, the 29th of August. Let's look at the legal battle between Grayscale and the SEC and the impact on the price of Bitcoin. First thing first, who is Grayscale? Grayscale is a leading player in the digital asset management industry. It offers a variety of investment products for institutional and individual investors. Also, Grayscale is regulated and it makes it a safe choice for investors. This company stands out because its products exposes investors to the cryptocurrency market. Now, its flagship product is the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, which is the largest Bitcoin investment vehicle in the world. Grayscale also offers a number of digital asset trusts, including trusts for Ethereum, Litecoin, and Chainlink. Sometimes last year, Grayscale decided to convert its GBTC to an ETF, so it applied to the SEC, the Security and Exchange Commission. This decision could be based on two reasons. Converting GBTC to an ETF would make it easier for investors to buy and sell Bitcoin because ETFs are more liquid, incur less fees, and are accessible to all investors when compared to trust. Two, it will reduce the discount between GBTC shares and the underlying Bitcoin price, thus allowing the company to make more profits. However, the SEC didn't approve Grayscale application, arguing that the proposal did not meet its standard for investor protection. Now, fast forward to the present day, August 29th, the United States Court of Appeal for District of Columbia Circuit ruled that SEC decision to reject Grayscale application to convert GBTC into a spot Bitcoin ETF was arbitrary and capricious. In other words, the SEC is to review the proposal again and possibly approve the Bitcoin ETF. The appeal court argued that SEC had not adequately explained its reason for the rejection and that it had discriminated against spot Bitcoin ETF compared to Bitcoin futures ETF. Now, this is a major victory for Grayscale and for the broader cryptocurrency industry, as it could pave the way for the approval of the first spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States. If that happens, it will be easier for investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without having to hold the Bitcoin themselves. Now, what is the impact of this news on Bitcoin price? The ruling had a positive impact on the price of Bitcoin. In the hours following the ruling, the price of Bitcoin rose by more than 7%. This is likely due to the fact that the ruling increased the likelihood of a spot Bitcoin ETF being approved in the United States. A spot Bitcoin ETF will make it easier for investors to buy and sell Bitcoin, which could lead to an increase in demand. But this is not the only news that is pumping Bitcoin value. According to the research firm Cryptonary, here are 5 other reasons why BTC may continue to rise. In Argentina, a pro-Bitcoin candidate is leading the polls. If he wins, it will lead to a widespread adoption and millions onboarded to Bitcoin. Bitcoin hash rate has hit a new all-time high. This shows that mining is more decentralized and, as such, Bitcoin is more resilient to government interference. Institutions are still bullish about Bitcoin, with top players like JP Morgan stating there is only limited downside in BTC. Ledin, a firm in the Cayman Islands, now help people access mortgages using BTC as collateral. This means less selling pressure on Bitcoin and potentially more demand as people use it to purchase real estate. On the technical front, Bitcoin RSI is now under 30 in the past few days, which indicates that there has been enough sell pressure and Bitcoin is expected to continue grinding back to recovery from this point. So guys, the future looks bright for Bitcoin, and this may be a good time to accumulate Bitcoin. But remember, do your due diligence before you buy. And if you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies profitably and learn more about cryptocurrency and DeFi, then create a BYBIT account and join my group. All links are in the description. I'll see you in that group and in the next video.